Need the best auto body shop in the Waco, Texas East Waco area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Waco's East Waco area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco, Texas East Waco service. Complete auto body quotes when you would certainly require to see in vehicle body store for immediate vehicle fixing solutions. There might come a time. Yet choosing picking a vehicle body store out of loads around can be instead hard. You take the chance of shedding time, cash, as well as also more damages to your vehicle if you make an incorrect selection. To aid you determine, below are numerous variables to take into consideration. Initially, figure out how much time a particular vehicle body store has actually stayed in business. It would certainly additionally be important to figure out which details consumers and ancillaries they generally offer. This will certainly offer you a tip regarding whether the vehicle body store can doing the job and also hence aid you stay clear of any kind of more troubles. This is specifically essential for vehicles made use of each day. Pick an vehicle body store situated at a hassle-free location, whether near your residence or your area of work, whichever functions best for you. On top of that, locate a store that is connected with vehicle components suppliers or various other solution facilities that can execute innovative vehicle fixing and also upkeep treatments. Locating a hassle-free vehicle service center makes good sense, as you neither need to be and also take a trip embedded website traffic, neither be required to locate substitute components on your own. Besides the real vehicle body fixing facility, its associates, and also area, do not neglect to take into consideration the fixing group. Obtain and also attempt to recognize staff that give fixing solutions and also vehicle describing Reno customers advice. As soon as you are familiar with them, they will likely come to be extra comfy with you and also put in the time to inform you extra concerning the numerous treatments your vehicle might need to undertake. You could also obtain a tiny price cut on your solutions gotten just for being an excellent consumer. If you live someplace in Reno, Nevada, it should not be that tough to locate numerous stores that satisfy vehicle body fixing and also vehicle paint Reno vehicle proprietors call for. It might be hard to seek the far better ones amongst them, yet you need to never ever choose mediocrity, constantly go for the most effective solution. You can start by doing an online search of neighboring vehicle body stores and afterwards make a contrast according to series of solutions, rates, and also certainly, brand name online reputation. Take into consideration all these pointers prior to deciding on one company. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.